Going to Barnes and Noble. I need to buy a map of Houston because I'm going to Houston. Found some online, but then I'd have to pay postage. If I buy it here at the bookstore, I don't have to pay postage. No, I do. It's a cold day again. Alright. Nice to see a lot of people at the bookstore. Usually people just buy it online from Amazon or somewhere like that. But it's good to see people actually here at the bookstore, browsing around. I know their map section is somewhere back there, but let me walk around a little bit first to see what has changed in the last few months since I've been here. I was here. When was I here? Man, a long time ago, before my trip to London, I think. Anyway, travelogue books, cookbooks, history books. Alright, let's go. Let Trump be Trump. This book isn't exactly flying off the shelves like the other one. I forgot the title, what the title was, the one that came out a few days ago. Well, you know, people are... You know what people are like. Humanity's overrated. Maps. That's what I'm looking for, maps. Map of Houston, Texas. USA, Virginia, Baltimore, DC. These are local maps. More Virginia maps. Pennsylvania, New York City, Chicago, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, New Orleans, LA, San Francisco. Let's trigger around the other side. Let's see this first. Comic book, The Unquotable Trump. Okay. Let's go back to our map search. These are international maps. We don't want that. You know what? I kind of need this one here. Edinburgh. Maybe I'll buy that. Because I'm going to Edinburgh in May, so maybe I'll buy that one. Unless they have something else. Right, PC's Guide to Scotland and Edinburgh. Unfortunately, this is all I have of Houston. There's still a book here. Not really looking for a book. Looking for a map. On a travelogue book. See? I struck out here. No maps of Houston. I'm gonna try the Kramer books in DC when I get back to DC on Monday. Well, Tuesday actually. It's a holiday weekend. Or maybe I'll try online. Problem buying stuff online is you have to pay postage. I was hoping to come here and just buy it off the shelf and not have to pay postage. Oh well. I have lunch. I'm hungry. I'm gonna go to Panera Bread and use my gift card. Use the gift card that I have. Okay, let's go. Panera Bread is where we're going. That's where we were at. Barnes and Noble. See that used to be an Olive Garden, but it went out of business like a year ago, and now it's just an empty building. We used to eat there a lot. That Olive Garden right there. I went into the Nordstrom rack. Why not? It was right next door. See if there's anything else. Anything here I can buy. I don't see anything though. Just look around, why not? why not look around? Hey, I know there's a GameStop here somewhere. I'm gonna go into the GameStop and look for this particular game that I'm looking for. It's a PS3 game called Midway Arcade Origins. It's like a collection of old school games that I used to play on like my Genesis. It's like 20 or 30 old school games in one cartridge. I've been looking for that all over, but I can't seem to find it. I could buy it online, but online it's like 25 bucks. It's too much. If I could find a used one here at GameStop. Ooh, god damn, it's cold. Cold again. Yesterday it was warm, it's like 60s, and today it's 30s. Huh, okay, almost there.
Online multiplayer races and even create your own track with the course editor. Now, for legal purposes, I am obligated to clarify that I do not officially recommend slamming 4 consecutive months.
Yeah, that's a playing
this game, but
They don't seem to have it.
the milestone SRL that due to licensing this game does not feature the likeness of the pile of gravel.
Okay, welcome to the Panera Bread again. Here to use my gift card, which I just did. I just ordered a bowl of chicken soup and the tortellini chicken. So I'm just waiting for it. Number 68, as you can see. Kind of fancy schmancy. Look at that. Starts buzzing. Alright, my food's here. There's my chicken tortellini and my soup and some chips. Put the chicken avocado. For the maps somewhere here in the bookstore. Now, where are the maps? The maps. Oh, there it is. Okay, let's go. Here they is. Okay, hopefully we'll find it here. Maps of Houston. Oh, there it is, Houston. There's one right there, dude. Houston. That's what I need, man. How much is this? Oh, shit, it's $10. Damn. $10, but that's everything I need. It's not gonna work. It's just mainly downtown Houston. I need a map of the whole area. The freeway systems and everything. Suburbs. This is just like inside Houston. See? Not what I needed, so not gonna buy this. Now this is more what I need. Streetwide Houston. I've been looking for this. For some reason on eBay, this thing is like $100. I don't know why. Got a whole bunch of them here, see? But I looked on eBay and Amazon. I mean, the cheapest I could find of this was $50 for some reason. Streetwise Houston. Maybe it's out of print. But anyway, this is what I need. It has the whole freeway system and everything, so this is what I'm going to get, definitely. This is how much is this? See, it's only $7 here. Focus? Yeah, but if you look on eBay, if you do a search for Streetwise Houston, they'll be like $100. Crazy, huh? Crazy. I found what I needed. Map of Houston. Now I'm just kind of looking for whatever tickles my fancy. Here at the Barnes & Noble bookstore. History books. Oh, they got manga. Look. More manga here. Gaming books. Science fiction fantasy books. they still sell those Star Trek novels that I used to read. Whenever I would go on a trip, I would buy a Star Trek novel and read it on the plane. I don't know if they still have those. They don't look like they have them anymore. Yeah, there used to be a whole bunch of them, like a whole shelf full of them. Doesn't look like they have any. Doesn't look like they print those anymore. That's too bad. This was a thing for me back in the day. Anyway. I wish I wore my glasses. I can't see anything. You know, just a little hazy. I'm struggling to look at things without my glasses. Especially at places like bookstores. Oh well, I'll remember next time. Where are we? Test preparation. Preparing for the SAT or whatever test you need to take. Here's some books to help you. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. I think I'll go. Look at this, they got 3 whole columns of manga. That's a lot, huh? Back in the day, there wasn't, the only place you'd find like books, manga books would be like at a Japanese store in Little Tokyo or something. But now even regular bookstores has a manga section. Back in the day, you could only find it in like specialty bookstores. Comic book stores and stuff. Well, times are different, times are changing. This book. It's a book called Assholes. Be an interesting gift to send a few people I know. A book called Assholes. Interesting. We're done. Finally got the map that I needed. And now I'm going to have some lunch, maybe at the mall across the street. There's some places to eat here, but I don't really like these places. They got like a Jamba Juice and I don't know what they have over here. I think I'll just go to the mall across the street, have lunch after my time here at the Barnes & Noble bookstore. Bought a map that I needed here at the Barnes & Noble, and now I'm going to the mall to eat some lunch, if I can. Alright, I got my change. Got my change. Okay. Alright, we're done with the laundry. I'm gonna have some lunch. Somewhere over here. Have lunch. Done with the laundromat. Time to have it done. Since the weekend, holiday weekend. Get some extra time, might as well do it.